Let's learn how you can change your profile picture on your RedNote account. So let's open our RedNote application. What you will have to do is to click on this me icon that will lead you to your profile. Now you can click either on this story image, or you can go to edit your profile and then click on your avatar here. And as you can see, you have now three options for your profile picture. You can upload new avatar, that is, you choose a picture from your gallery. You can create AI avatar. For example, as you can see, it will transfer us to new page and it will show you various stuff of AI avatars, or you can go and get avatar accessory. That's some kind of pets, like you have birds, you have every kind of animal. Now I won't show you my gallery, but you get the point. So you can choose up between these three, and when you're done, just click on confirm. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.